The old food scale that we had broke the other day, so I had to buy a new one. Now I can make coffee again that tastes good. You don't want your piggy bank anymore, Michelle?
It's creepy.
Yeah.
Sitting in my room.
All right, go grab a box from the hallway and we'll smash it.
In the box?
In the box, so it doesn't make a gigantic mess.
All right.
They're in the back hallway.
Okay.
You got it?
Yep.
All right, go put it down and smash it.
Is that heavy?
A little bit, but I think you'll be okay.
Oh, jeez. Cold too.
A little bit. All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right, so I think it might be cool. I'm gonna record this in 240 frames so we can slow it down. Is that what you were expecting?
Kind of.
Was it worth it for $1.12?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, grab the crowbar. What'd you get, bud?
So you put this in here,
Yeah.
and then you have to...
What? That thing is amazing.
You try.
I want to try it.
So, yeah. And now, the end.
All right, Miles, be prepared. Ready? Blocking?
Yeah.
Oh, I missed. That's fun. Hey,
What?
do you remember that idea you had to follow somebody in the car and drive around and then, like, find a place to go have fun?
Yeah.
I think we should do that today. What do you think?
Sure.
Yeah? Maybe we can follow them until they stop and then we'll find a cool place to go to lunch?
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
Wait, what are we gonna do?
What?
gonna
You didn't
follow.
listen to all the words I just said? We're gonna pick a car to follow and go to a place, and wherever they end up is where we're going for lunch.
The seat back for you?
What? Thank you. Ah, what's this music? Ah, gross. You saved that seat for my bag? Thanks. Nice hat. I love that.
Isn't that cute?
Cool.
So what's it now?
Okay, so the plan is we're gonna find a car to follow and find lunch based on where they go.
So what kind of car do we follow? Does it matter?
I don't know. I don't think it
Should we
matters.
like make a rule right now, like the first blue car we see or something?
Okay, Michelle, it's your idea. What do you want to do, babe?
White car.
The first white car?
First white car.
All right. This is the car we're following.
All right.
Come here!
Funny.
He went home already. It's only been 2 minutes. We need a new car. No, I think we should do the next car that we get behind, which is this Jeep up here.
Okay.
Wherever they're going, that's where we're going.
Okay.
Okay, car 2 is a bust. We're gonna try one more car, and then I think we'll just find somewhere to go. The Chevy in front of us. One more time.
All right.
Get out of the way, stupid Toyota. I have to catch up to the car we're following. All right, this isn't working out, so we have a new plan. We're gonna make a spinner with left, right, and straight, and every time we come to an intersection, we're gonna spin it to figure out which way we're gonna go, and then at noon, in 40 minutes, we're gonna stop and find a cool place for lunch. Amanda, you got the spinner?
Yep.
All right, awesome.
Left, right, straight.
Perfect.
Can I see?
Our first stop is coming up right up here. I think we have a stoplight,
Okay.
and I think we have a decision to make, so spin it.
All right.
So it ended up working out. We drove in circles. We've been driving for almost an hour, and we're only about 20 minutes away from our house.
That's funny.
And we found this cool new place. So
I've
it's
never
like
seen this
a
before.
brewery slash scratch kitchen. I'm excited.
Let's go eat outside.
And we get to sit outside and eat. I'm pumped. That sounds good.
They have Pepsi.
Check it out, the
But then-
beer menu. I got a flight of beers and I'm so happy. Oh yes, look at the beers. So they had 5 options for IPAs and I got 4 of them in this.
So light.
And I'm really excited.
You want to switch? Oh, you do? After all that?
Ooh. Yum, yum, yum.
For all the musical chairs.
Ooh, that's good too. If you wanted a beer, why didn't you get a beer?
I don't know. I wanted a Diet Coke. Oh, what is that?
It's raspberry. Let me see it. I might not like that.
It's not sweet.
No. Oh. Ooh.
I think it would be sweet. I was expecting that. But...
Yeah, that's good. Ready, everybody? Cheers.
Cheers. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Cheers. Get around this. I can't. Let's just cheers with the pole. It's fine.
Cheers with the pool.
All right, Miles is fiending some tic-tac-toe, so let's play tic-tac-toe.
What?
You beat me, even though I told you that you could have. Wow.
You set it up.
I should have.
I don't like lemon in my Coke.
How's that Diet Coke there, Mom?
It's doing exactly what I needed.
Did you finish it real quick so that you could have
Get
a beer?
Yeah, maybe.
Unbelievable. What'd you say, Miles? You want to switch back? Because you're cold? Mom, you gotta do it.
Okay.
If he wants to switch 10 times, you switch. That's what being a not bad parent is.
True.
Miles, maybe you don't make such a big mess in front of your placemat this time so that switching is easier. That's the end of that. That was delicious. I'm getting another round.
How much is the plate?
I don't know, you should get the flight though.
I should?
Yeah, get the flight with the pineapple. I'm getting another one.
All right.
Do you think they would give you a flight of all the sodas that are on tap here?
Soda plate.
You could have a Diet Pepsi, a Diet Coke, a Coke, a Sprite.
Shirley Temple.
Shirley Temple. Ooh, that would be good.
And you could get a root beer.
You could get a root beer.
And you could get an orange Coke.
That's right.
Orange Coke.
I'm trying to think.
Oh
my god. Oh my gosh. 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 Here.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. That's fantastic.
Transfer of the sandwich.
Michelle, what's your review of it? So that's just delicious. I mean, that looks like a gigantic flying saucer of a burger. No, don't cut it in half. Don't cut it in half. That's the funnest part of eating a burger.
Yeah, but
How is that chicken sandwich? Thing looks amazing.
That is insane. Look at that done.
Oh my god.
It's so crispy.
I love it.
Wow.
Oh. Not for nothing, but this is not what I intended. I kind of wanted sushi for lunch. We just ended up at this place and they had beer and burgers and chicken sandwiches and that's our day. How you doing over there?
Really good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm in heaven.
Miles?
I'm cold.
Well, you did all right. Michelle?
did pretty good, but I'm full.
Full?
How about you, Daddy?
Surprisingly, me too. What a fantastic day today turned into. It didn't go as planned. I was really hoping that Michelle's follow the car thing would work out a little bit better, but it didn't. But, I mean, that's to be expected. We followed like... How many cars did we follow today?
3.
4.
4?
Yeah, because there was the black car, and then we were the Toyota cut us off, so we ended up following the Toyota, and they went to a weird place. So
Didn't work out too well.
it didn't work out the way we wanted. And then like the spin the wheel thing, luckily brought us.
That worked out good.
That worked out really well because we found an amazing place, but it just kind of brought us in a circle. So we drove for an hour, but we're only 20 minutes away from the house.
A lot of left-hand turns.
Well, it was like turn right and then go this way.
Yeah.
And then when we got to the next, it would turn left and then turn left. So we'd go back. But it worked out. That place is my new most favorite
Oh my
place.
gosh, that chicken sandwich was
The chicken,
insane.
I have never had a chicken sandwich like that before.
Yeah.
I don't even know how they do it.
It was so light and crispy, and the crunch every time you bit into it was just, oh, amazing.
It's not often that I have leftovers, but that burger, I have half a burger left.
I'm excited for that.
I don't even know if I can do it later, but I'm so excited.
Oh, you will. You'll be.
I will definitely be able to do it later,
And the
I
beer
know.
flights were really delicious too.
I had 2 of those beer flights because I couldn't decide which one I liked the best.
They were so good. I liked the pineapple one.
The pineapple one.
It tasted like a Dole Whip beer. Like
It really-
You pictured a beer.
It was super like creamy pineapple-y. It was amazing. What a fantastic day today turned into.
What a great Easter.
And then the kids went and they played at the playground for like an hour. I'm done. I'm gonna sit here and then we're going for a walk to close out the day. But that won't be exciting. I'm gonna drink this coffee. Bye.